Hi, boys and girls. Today I wanted to go over how to request a meeting with me, and we can do a video meeting. So if you're having any troubles with your Google Classroom or an assignment, you can request a meeting for me. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You need to make sure you log into your portal, and you can see I'm logged into Riley's. I'm going to click on my Gmail account. Once you get to your Gmail account, it's loading right now, you're going to look for the Google Apps icon, which is in the top right-hand corner. It has the 9 small squares that we usually use to go to our brain pop. So it's loading right now. It's right up here. So it says Google Apps. You'll click on that. Then you can move down and you're going to look for this Meet. It looks like a video recorder. And you're going to click on Meet. That's going to take you to a screen where it's going to say Join or Start Meeting. It's going to be in this like turquoise color rectangle. So this is how you join or start a meeting with me. You're going to click on Join or Start. Now here you're going to leave this meeting code or nickname blank. Do not put anything in there. So now I will leave it blank and hit continue. Okay, so it says it's getting ready. And you're going to see yourself. Right now you see me, but you're going to see yourself. And you're going to click on Join Meeting. Now here is where you're going to add me. So you need to click on Add People. So click on Add People. This is where you're going to need to type in my email address. Remember, my email address is pretty long. You might want to write it down. But once you write it, you're going to see that it's going to automatically come up the next time you try to invite me. So I've invited Miss McCassin before, so that's why it's already automatically there. So it's JESSICA.ZAMARRIPA dash Embry, EMBRY, and it might pop up like you see it flickering there. And you could click on it, but I'm going to finish writing it at NISD.net. In the future, you can just click on it. Click on my name. So I've invited myself, or Riley's invited me because she's sending me the invite. And now, after the name appears there, you're going to click Send Invite. So on my other laptop over here where I'm logged in, I'm going to receive an email, and it's hard to see it or I would show it to you, but it's going to say, I'm going to receive an email saying, happening now, Riley-Embry is inviting you to a meeting. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click Join Meeting. So once I join the meeting, in a minute you're going to hear an echo because I'm going to join the meeting with Riley. It says Google Meet wants to show notifications. Just hit allow. I'll see a button that says join meeting. I will join meeting. So now you can hear me echoing back and forth. So I'm going to hang that up so you don't hear that background noise. So that's when we will connect, when I hit join meeting. So then we can talk about if you have any questions on lessons, how to log on to Google Classroom, anything you're struggling with. Just feel free to give me a call between the hours of 9 and 3 o'clock. I'll be available. Remember, I'm having to teach Riley too, so I have to get her up, feed her breakfast, and get her started. So I have 28 seconds left. If you'd like, remember, just go to your Google Classroom, go to that icon, go to meeting, and we can start our meeting and go over any questions that you have. When you're done, don't forget to hang up. It's this little telephone symbol. Just hit it, and we're done. Hope to see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.